Hi, my name's Ben. I took one of the biosynergy genetics tests. It was fascinating, actually. I was quite pleased with some of the things that came back with. I was told that it was not bad, which is good. I was a bit worried, but it was really useful for me to kind of see things about stress, particularly that my body reacted really badly and showed physical symptoms to stress. That was a really kind of interesting thing for me because I've always worried about that. And it kind of made me think about how I needed to make sure that I was concentrating on that when I was going about my daily life. And I always thought that I was quite good with sort of vitamins, and particularly around vitamin B. It showed actually I was struggling with vitamin B. So I have made sure to sort of take some more vitamin B. I was also struggling with selenium as well. I was a bit on the low side with selenium, so I've made sure that I'm doing something around that too. So it was just fantastic to see everything kind of laid out in a really straightforward, obvious way. So that I was able to go through it both sort of mentally and about stress and mental health and stuff around my sleep patterns as well, and kind of see what was good for me, what didn't work quite so well, and where I needed to worry and where I needed to focus my energy. So it's been absolutely fantastic. So thank you very much, Biosynergy. That test was really helpful. Cheers.